Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Reddit Pixel to landing pages for UX learning, full guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your Reddit account. Navigate to the Reddit Ads Manager dashboard. On the dashboard, find the Pixel option in the menu.
Click on Pixel to access the Pixel setup page.
Select Create Pixel if you haven't created one yet. Follow the prompts to name your pixel and enter your website URL.
Once created, copy the pixel code provided.
Next, open your landing page's HTML editor. Locate the head section of your landing page.
Paste the Reddit pixel code just above the closing /head tag.
Save the changes to your landing page.
To verify the pixel installation, use the Reddit Pixel Helper tool. Install the Pixel Helper extension in your browser.
Visit your landing page while the Pixel Helper is active. Check if the pixel is firing correctly in the extension. If successful, proceed to track user interactions on the landing page. Utilize the Reddit Ads Manager to create a campaign. Choose conversion or traffic goals that align with your learning objectives.
Set your audience targeting to reach relevant users. Finalize your ad creative and launch the campaign.
Monitor the performance of your ads regularly.
Analyze the data collected through the pixel to enhance user experience. Make necessary adjustments based on insights gathered from user interactions.
Repeat the process for any additional landing pages you want to track.
Continue to refine your approach based on ongoing analysis and user feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.